Hey everyone, if your forms are looking a bit cramped, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to add some space around and inside your form elements using Gravity Booster plugin. It's super easy and you don't need any coding skills. Let's get started. First, log in into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Gravity Booster. Once you find it, click Install and activate the plugin. Now head over to Forms, Gravity Booster. Select the form you want to adjust. The page will reload and you will see all the design settings on the left sidebar with a preview on the right side. The design settings are organized into sections like Form Wrapper, Form Header, and Form Title and Description, etc. Each section has controls for setting margins and padding. Let's navigate to Form Wrapper section. Scroll down to find the margin and padding settings. You can set one value for all four sides or separate values for top, right, bottom and left. You can use px, em, rem or percentage. There's also a slider to make it even easier. Now if you want to set different values for each side, click on the link icon next to the input box. This unlocks separate controls for each side with a visual guide showing which side is being adjusted. Once you are happy with the changes, make sure to save them. Just click the Save button at the top right corner. If you don't save, your changes won't show up on the front end where your form is embedded. And that's it. You have set the margin and padding for your Gravity forms using Gravity Booster. Remember, you can also set margin padding for other elements like field labels, sub-labels, field description, text field, etc. Thanks for watching and happy form designing.